Hello, I'm Scott Brady with Overland Journal and Expedition Portal, and I am out here with an incredible vehicle. This is the Velocity Restorations 1977 Ford Highboy. Now, all of my earliest memories of driving around was with my mom and my dad in our family's 1970 Ford Ranger Special. So being in a vehicle like this, spending time traveling in a vehicle like this is bringing back all the memories, all the feels of that time with my family. And it's vehicles like this that inspire us to travel and make us want to go out and take that beautiful road trip like we are along the beach today. These vehicles are built from the ground up. Every single nut and bolt is touched. It has a modern drivetrain, modern transmission, fuel-injected motor, durable solid axles front and rear on coil-sprung suspension, so it rides great and it looks fantastic.